Ever wondered how to make the perfect holiday feast? Let's delve into the art of culinary celebration, where we'll explore the importance of a meticulously prepared holiday feast. This isn't just about cooking, it's about creating memories, sharing love, and spreading joy. We're going to break down this process into clear, manageable steps, from planning the menu to the final presentation. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to prepare a holiday feast that will impress your guests and leave them wanting more. A well-planned menu is the foundation of any successful feast. This statement rings true, especially when you are hosting a holiday gathering. Planning your menu in advance is not just about deciding what dishes to serve, but also about considering the tastes, dietary restrictions, and preferences of your guests. It's important to remember that not everyone shares the same palate, so variety is key. Incorporate a mix of flavors and textures in your menu, from the appetizers to the main course and desserts. A balanced menu will not only cater to everyone's tastes, but also add an element of surprise and excitement to the dining experience. Think about the vegetarians, the gluten-free folks, or those with a sweet tooth. It's about making everyone feel included and cared for. And remember, it's not just about the food, it's about the memories created around the dinner table. A thoughtful and diverse menu will ensure there's something for everyone at your holiday feast. Once you've planned your menu, it's time to hit the grocery store. The secret to a memorable holiday feast lies not just in your culinary skills, but also in the quality of your ingredients. Fresh, high-quality ingredients are the backbone of any successful dish. Picture this: a succulent roast turkey, its flavor amplified by the freshest herbs and spices, or a luscious pumpkin pie made with real ripe pumpkins. That's the power of quality ingredients. To ensure you've got everything you need, it's wise to make a detailed shopping list. Jot down every ingredient, right from the main components to the smallest pinch of spice. This way, you can avoid the disappointment of forgetting any items. And here's a pro tip: shop a few days in advance. This will save you from the stress of last-minute shopping and give you ample time to prep. Remember, the quality of your ingredients can make or break your holiday feast. Now the real fun begins: cooking your holiday feast. The key to a successful and stress-free feast preparation lies in breaking down your cooking process into manageable steps. Let's get started, shall we? First, focus on the dishes that can be made ahead. These are your secret weapons. Think about side dishes like cranberry sauce, casseroles, and pies. These can be prepared in advance and refrigerated or frozen. By doing this, you're giving yourself a head start and making sure you're not overwhelmed on the day of the feast. Next, let's talk about time management in the kitchen. This is where your planning from scene 2 really comes into play. You've got your menu, your recipes, and your ingredients. Now it's all about sequencing. Start with the dishes that take the longest to cook. Your turkey or roast, for instance, will need a few hours in the oven. While that's cooking, you can work on the other dishes. Remember, multitasking is your friend. While your main dish is in the oven, you could be peeling potatoes, sautéing vegetables, or preparing your dessert. Utilize all your kitchen appliances. Your stovetop, oven, and even your microwave can work simultaneously. Now let's talk about readiness. The goal is to have everything ready before your guests arrive. This means setting the table, getting your drinks chilled, and making sure all your dishes are cooked and ready to serve. Don't forget the small things. Have your serving utensils ready, ensure your gravy is hot, and remember to let your roast rest before carving. The beauty of preparing a feast is that you can adjust and adapt as you go. If something takes longer to cook than you anticipated, that's okay. Take a deep breath, adjust your plan, and keep going. Remember, cooking should be enjoyable. Put on your favorite holiday tunes, pour yourself a glass of wine or a cup of hot cocoa, and have fun with it. With good planning and time management, you can prepare a feast that looks effortless. And the best part? You'll be able to enjoy the feast with your guests, instead of being stuck in the kitchen. A feast is as much about presentation as it is about taste. It is a sentiment that rings true for any culinary endeavor, especially when it comes to holiday feasts. The visual appeal of your dishes can significantly enhance the overall dining experience, turning a simple meal into a memorable event. Let's consider a few ways to make your dishes look more attractive. Color is a powerful tool in the world of food presentation. Play with contrasting hues and textures to create a vibrant, enticing plate. Garnishes, too, can make a world of difference. Fresh herbs, a dusting of spices, or a drizzle of sauce can elevate a dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Now let's talk serving sizes. It's important to strike a balance between generosity and portion control. You want to offer enough food to satisfy your guests, but not so much that it becomes overwhelming or leads to waste. A good rule of thumb is to serve smaller portions of rich, hearty dishes and larger portions of lighter fare. And let's not forget about temperature. Serving food at the right temperature is crucial to bringing out its best flavors. Hot food should be served hot, cold food cold, and everything in between should be served at the temperature that best suits its particular taste and texture. Remember, we eat with our eyes first, so make sure your feast is as beautiful as it is delicious. By following these steps, you're on your way to creating the perfect holiday feast. We've journeyed together through the process, from the all-important planning stage, where you select your mouth-watering menu, to the careful shopping for ingredients, ensuring you choose only the highest quality. Remember, the heart of your feast lies in the preparation. It's in the meticulous chopping, the patient simmering, the careful roasting. These are the elements that infuse your dishes with love and flavor, making them stand out. And let's not forget the art of presentation and serving. The way you arrange your dishes, the garnishes you use, the temperature at which you serve, these are critical details that elevate the dining experience, making it a feast for the senses. Now, you're ready to impress your guests with a holiday feast to remember. Happy cooking!